Hi, gardening family. I just want to give you an update. I mentioned in the other video about the limelight hydrangeas that I purchased that were discounted because they looked a little scraggly. And these are the three plants. And as you can see, they pretty much still look as they did when I purchased them. I just gave them a little bit of water, so hopefully the leaves will hydrate. But the blooms that's on there, they were drying out, and I'm pretty sure they're probably root bound in the pot. And my plan is to get these in the ground this weekend. I have a spot for them that I want them to go because of course they can't really take too much sun, and I have another area as well, so a couple of more hydrangea. They're not limelight, they're just a regular, I think maybe mop head, I don't know, hydrangea that I'll probably pair this with. But I have another area that's more shaded that I'm thinking about putting it in, maybe near my chicken coop, or maybe another area that's shaded as well. It's the property line that's closest to my my other neighbor. But again, these plants were 30 bucks. 30 bucks right here. $29.99. Got them for $17. And I wish I would have got more, but I think I'm gonna try to find to see if I can go back and maybe get maybe 2 more to have. These are some beautiful plants when they grow, and basically could take sun or part shade. And I think they get, it says 3 to 5 inches tall and wide, so that's a nice barrier if you want to use it as a screen, depending on the optimum conditions that you give it. Maybe each one 5 feet apart. Right now I have 3. We're looking at about 15 feet spread. Hopefully you want to get the highest height at 5 feet. But either way, these are absolutely beautiful. Like I said, they pretty much look like this. Dry blooms. Dry blooms. These leaves are just perked up because I gave it water. But I have the other one over here. Blooms are dry. But either way, it's still a beautiful plant. But again, in speaking from the other video, in looking for deals, some of these plants are so pricey, but sometimes I can't help myself. I end up spending a lot of money on plants, especially fruit trees, flowers and stuff. And because they are so pricey, you want to be able to take care of them. But if you can find a deal, get it. Get the deal. And I've noticed over the past, I would say 3 years, a lot of the fruit trees, a lot of the flowers, shrubs, plant seeds, everything has almost tripled or quadrupled in price. But I just wanted to give you guys the update on those limelight hydrangeas. And we do have a bloom up there that's looking nice and green. But these are the hydrangeas. Got almost 50% off on this, so we're looking at probably 45% off. A $30, looks like 2-gallon plant. Can't beat that. What a deal. Again, keep your eye out for deals, and keep gardening, family. Keep gardening.